It's good afternoon to all of you. Now, in this slide, I'm going to explain how one can derive expression of equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Okay, let us consider the cell. Here I'm writing zinc in a solid state. This is a phase separation, and this is a zinc sulfate in aqueous medium. And as you know, this is a symbol of salt bridge. When I say salt bridge, immediately its function comes to your mind. Okay, this again is phase separation. In this cell, already we have discussed electrons from flow from zinc to copper in the external circuit, whereas the following phenomena takes place in the internal circuit. Zinc from the zinc rod passes into the solution at zinc ion. Copper ion from the copper sulfate solution deposited on the copper plate. Sulfate ions from copper sulfate flow to the zinc sulfate solution through salt bridge. As a result, what happened? The concentration of copper sulfate solution decreases and that of ZnSO4 increases. Since electrode potential depends on the concentration of solution, therefore electrode potential of two electrodes keep on changing. Ultimately, a stage comes when electrode potential of two electrodes becomes equal and current stops flowing. EMF becomes zero. When no current flow, when current flow is zero, EMF becomes zero. Okay. Under this condition, cell reaction is said to have attained equilibrium. Equilibrium reaction I am writing here. You can see zinc solid plus copper aqueous and sign of reversibility. Okay. Keep on writing. Don't waste your time. By means of diagram also I would like to explain. See the drawing here. Okay. This the progress of reaction. Progress of reaction and this reduction potential. Okay, this line parallel to the these two things I'm drawing here. You can see very well enough. Okay, this line denotes reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. This line denotes oxidation half reaction, and this is equilibrium point. This is a representation how the cell stops working or cell reaction reaches equilibrium. Graphically, I have tried to explain you that at the equilibrium point, the reduction half reaction and the oxidation half reaction both attain equilibrium. Thus, now we can from here we can write the expression of Kc. As we have read in the class 11th chapter chemical equilibrium, how to write expression for the Kc. I am writing here once again, assuming that already you know all these things. Okay. Now I am going to place the value of this one, substitute the value of Kc in the Nernst equation. Nernst equation, once again I am going to write here. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF in log concentration of zinc ion upon concentration of copper. Okay. Since at equilibrium the value of E cell becomes 0, at equilibria the value of E cell becomes 0. This can be modified, this one can be modified, and the modified one can be written